Hearing loss is something experienced by people of all ages, and that affects more than 31 million Americans. It can negatively affect the quality of a person's life and everyone associated with them. Hearing aids are often a part of the solution for treatment of hearing loss. Thanks to recent advances in digital sound technology, hearing aids are now better, smaller, and smarter than ever before. To learn more, we went to Piedmont Ear, Nose, Throat, and Related Allergy.
For most individuals, the onset of hearing loss is gradual, and it gets progressively worse with time. Oftentimes, the family notices the hearing loss first, as they must repeat themselves frequently or the volume of the television or music is turned up. The patient often thinks that people are mumbling, and they have difficulty understanding words, particularly women's and children's voices. This is especially difficult with background noise or in a crowd of people. Some patients may have ringing or noise in the ears as a symptom of hearing loss. Hearing loss may adversely affect the quality of life, causing patients to withdraw from social situations and friends, resulting in a feeling of isolation. There are many different causes of hearing loss, and they can affect people of all ages. Some hearing loss is due to blockage of sound as it goes into the ear. This may be caused by a hole in the eardrum or a problem with the hearing bones. Most hearing loss is sensory hearing loss, involving the inner ear or the hearing nerve. Some hearing loss is genetic, inherited from your parents. Some hearing loss is associated with normal aging of the inner ear, while noise can damage the inner ear if it is too loud or lasts a long time. Other causes of hearing loss may include infections, use of medications toxic to the inner ear, tumors, or trauma. Hearing aids are the best and many times the only effective treatment for the vast majority of patients with sensory hearing loss.
Like everything else, modern hearing aids have gone digital because we live in a noisy world where we are continually bombarded with sounds at all different pitches, directions, and noise levels. Today's hearing instruments utilize tiny computers that can make millions of decisions per second to reduce unpleasant sounds while bringing speech sounds to the foreground. Piedmont ENT offers the latest in cutting-edge hearing aids.
Digital hearing aids have improved the clarity of sound compared to older hearing aids. They can analyze sound and differentiate between background noise and speech. As the patient moves through the day, digital hearing aids automatically adjust to different listening environments. The technology can reduce the background noise behind the patient while focusing on sound in front of the patient. The result is improved sound quality in noisy environments. Feedback management technology also controls squealing, which was a significant problem with older hearing aid models. Open-fit hearing aids leave the ear canal open so that patients can hear both the amplified sound from the hearing aid and the natural sounds of the environment. The open-fit models are small and virtually invisible when in place. Because the aid does not fully block the ear canal, they are also extremely comfortable. Patients do not experience the plugged feeling of traditional hearing aids, and their voice won't sound unnaturally loud.
The goal at Piedmont ENT is to provide you the best possible hearing health care based upon your individual needs.
As a physician practice specializing in the diagnosis and medical and surgical treatment of problems of the ears, nose, and throat, we offer comprehensive care in the management of hearing loss. We have licensed and experienced staff that performs all diagnostic auditory testing necessary to evaluate both the degree and the potential cause of the hearing loss. We then dispense the best hearing aid to fit the individual needs of the patient. Digital hearing aids are like mini computers. They can be programmed to an individual's hearing loss, providing excellent clarity and sound quality.
The team at Piedmont ENT thinks that no one has to live in silence or isolation anymore, and you should not have to wait years for the latest advances in hearing solutions. That's why they're committed to learning about cutting-edge technology and bringing such breakthroughs to you. With their help, you can live better too. Their patients refuse to trust their precious hearing to anyone else. Why should you? If you'd like more information about Fresenius Medical Care and Piedmont Ear, Nose, Throat, and Related Allergy, or if you miss any of the important numbers shown throughout our program, please call 1-877-674-3285. Our staff will be happy to direct you to the medical professional that could be of particular interest to you. Or you can go to www.modernhealing.tv. Click on the Atlanta City Edition link to view all of the medical segments profiled on tonight's show.